Hi guys, it's Kids with marketing.com, and I would like to welcome you to one of the most important videos. I believe one of the most important videos because I'm sharing with you the secret, the number one ingredient, the number one secret, the one thing, the first and the most important thing you need to have in order to succeed in anything you do in your life, in your job, anything. It's very important, guys. All the videos I'm sharing different free ways on how you can make money online, but in order to make everything succeed regardless of your goals, you require one important thing. The number one to success, guys, the most important thing to success is mindset. You need to put your mind to anything you do, guys. If you don't put your mind and your mindset on what you're doing, you will not succeed, regardless of what it is. I'm gonna share with you one exercise. I would like to share with you one exercise that I would like you to do in order to find out the biggest motivation for you, in order to use that motivation every day to keep you going. It's called the 7 deep exercise. And by the 7 deep level exercise, and by the 7 deep level, I mean grab a piece of paper and a pen. You can do it now. You can do it after this video is done. I'm not going to talk for long, but I think this is one of the most important things for everybody, regardless of what you do it. Grab a piece of paper and write you need to find the number one reason motivate you on anything you do. So you will go back on the days when you don't feel that happy, that excited, you feel tired and so on. You will go back, and that reason, it will be the one that will keep you going. Yeah. So I want you to write on this piece of paper why you want to succeed, or why you want to make more money, for example. Why is the reason you want to make more money, guys? Why are you watching these videos in the YouTube, even my video now? Why are you watching these videos on how you can make more money online? Is it because you have some free time and you want to make some extra cash? Okay, yeah, that's fine enough, but you're gonna search a few videos, you're gonna find a couple of ways, you're gonna try them, you're gonna expect results in the same day or week, and it's not gonna succeed and you're gonna give up. And some of you investing some serious money on this and you're gonna lose this money. It's a shame. So write on a piece of paper why I want to make more money. Okay, you answer this question. I want to make more money because I want to quit my job. So you have level 1. Now, number 2, why you want to quit your job? And the answer on this one is because I don't like to go to work from 9 to 5 and I don't want to work for this boss anymore. Okay, fair enough. So go to number 3. And guys, the reason it's called 7 level deep is because the more you question your own self, you will find the meaning behind it. These 2, 3 levels, 4 levels, they come out of the mind directly. Is because we are programmed to answer this directly. I don't want to work for the boss, I don't want to go to 9 to 5 and so on. Yeah, but you need to find the actual strong way that keeps you motivated. Yeah, so you answer on level 2, I don't want to work for another boss, I want to go to 9 to 5. Okay, fair enough. Go to number 3. Why you don't want to work 9 to 5 and you don't work for this boss? Now you're gonna spend some time thinking about this. Yeah, so I want to do more things that I love. I want to spend more time with my family. I want to see my kids more, and I don't want to work for somebody. The best years of my life to work with somebody doing something I don't like, and for somebody I don't like. Okay, fair enough, respected. Go to number 4. So let's say you don't work for somebody else right now and you want to work for yourself. Why you want to work for yourself, and what's the reason behind it? And then you're gonna start thinking a little bit more. To make it long story short, because everybody has different ways and different experiences in life, you will answer different questions, you will answer different answers. I end up giving my number one, my 7-level deep question was that I want to be in control, guys. I want to be in control of my life. I don't want anybody to tell me what to do anymore. I don't want to work for anybody. My conclusion is I want to be in control of my life. So this is what keeps me motivated. And in the morning, when I wake up some days and I'm feeling tired, I don't feel so energetic, I don't know. We are humans, we feel tired, we feel stressed. So when I wake up in the morning and I don't feel like doing anything and so on, then it comes to my mind, my 7-level deep question, and I said, I want to be in control of my life. So in order to be in control, I have to keep pushing, I have to keep doing these things I do every day in order to stay in control and keep doing it. Otherwise, if I don't do it today, then I'm doing it tomorrow because I don't feel like doing it, I'm going to end up being back to my 9 to 5. And I don't want to do this anymore. I want to be in mind control. I want to control my days. I want to control this. I'm pretty sure you want to do this as well. Now, this is the number one, guys. You need to find the mindset. You need to find the motivation behind it and do it. Don't hear anybody. Guys, it's very important that you are the biggest weapon. You are the biggest weakness. You need to decide. Find what you like to do, guys, and do it. It's okay, it's good to share your thoughts with other ones, but everybody is going to put you down, guys. They're going to give you negative thoughts. They don't do it because they are bored, they don't want to do it, they don't trust themselves. A zillion different reasons. You put your mind on something, go for it. It's not going to be easy, but you start with step one. One step at a time, guys. Don't listen to anybody. Find your goal. Mine was financial freedom, so I can be controlled, and I don't want to work for anybody anymore. I want to do it all by alone. I want to help my family. I want to help others. I want to come to a level that I don't need to be dependent on anybody. So that's why I'm doing it. I'm pretty sure more or less the reasons fall behind for everybody as well. So this is, I put my mind, this is my goal, I put my mind there, and this is what I'm doing. I don't really want to hear what anybody else believes on that. I do affiliate marketing. When I started telling my family and a few friends what I'm doing, and after I quit my job, they were like laughing at me and said, you are silly or stupid because you quit a job that you have with a secure job, guys. It's a secure job. You work 9, 10, 11 hours a day. Because you have a secure, again, job, which is nothing is secure, you're just numbering your job. In order to get something, you work behind the computer, you don't know if it's going to work. Of course it's working. Affiliate marketing is the number one thing. It's so good that no university teaches these guys. You need to find people out there in order that they're doing this and follow them. You get a mentor and so on in order to teach you. University don't teach this because they don't want you to know these things. Put your mind, your goal, no matter what is your goal, guys, stick to it. Don't hear anybody. Some days it's going to be easier than others. Some of them are going to be harder than others. Do one step at a time. Get a piece of paper, get a notebook, write your goal down, and each day do one small step towards your goal. If you do one step a day, you're going to be much closer to your goal than you were the day before. If you don't do nothing, you're going to be behind, not the same point. Behind because other people are going forward. Don't listen to anybody. Put your mindset. If your mindset is there, it's going to happen, guys. As long as you are steady and committed, do it. It's simple as that. Don't listen to anybody. This is the number one secret to succeed anything. Be consistent. Put your mind and find your motivation that's going to keep you going regardless what you feel, how hard it is a day, and so on. Every day, put one step to go closer. This is what I want to share with you guys because I was in a chat with a couple of people the last few days. They were a little bit disappointed because they were expecting results to show up earlier. It's not easy. If it was easy, if it was happening from 1 hour to the next or 1 day to the next, everybody would have doing it, guys. It's not easy. Definitely some of people doing these things we are showing you online and affiliate marketing, they are experimenting and they are coming with faster ways that they are succeeding with them, and then people apply it fine. That's fine, and they are good, but don't get disappointed because some people in some countries, they achieved their goal much faster than yours. It doesn't matter. Stay put on what you're doing, regardless your goal. Stay put, one step at a time. If you can do 2 steps at one time, great. If you can do 3 steps, amazing. You're gonna go faster. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't listen to anybody. Put your mind there and don't give up, guys. The results will come and you're gonna be thankful to yourself, number one, because you didn't listen to anybody else. And when the results come in, you're gonna feel amazing. Amazing, guys. I can't describe you when I started opening my PayPal account and money started showing it. In the beginning was a few bucks. Then I would keep doing it, a few bucks more. It would be like this for a couple of weeks, then a couple of months. And then the few dollars became a few hundreds of dollars, and a few hundreds of dollars becoming a massive income that I had to work 9 to 5 every day for a month. Now I get in a day. So guys, this is what I want to tell you. Stay put. I don't want anybody to get disappointed. Disappointment will make you grow, it will make you stronger. Keep doing what you're doing and you will see the results much faster. Thank you, guys. I wanted to share this quick video with you today in order to tell you to stay put and don't let other people to put you down with their mindset. Keep your mindset and make sure you will succeed. Thank you. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you so much.